best kept secret in hardwood floors. CUMI, abrasive discs and belts, sizes for all sanders.
The main reason that we're in business for over 42 years is because of the quality that we put out on the job. And without the help of the CUMI abrasives, it would be very difficult to keep the quality as high as it is right now.
I feel very safe using CUMI product. It's not paper, it makes with a stronger backing, so it stands up to anything that we put through it. If it's a wax floor, it holds up. If we sand it to make stain it, it holds up, and it lasts a long time.
It's a very heavy duty and durable backing that they used. And what that means on the job is that the paper doesn't tear or rip very readily, and it doesn't heat up quite as much as several of the other competing product lines.
It's a much better sandpaper than 3M or Norton. It doesn't pitch out the sands on it. It holds up, everything is nice and firm. It doesn't rip that easily. I would recommend CUMI product to someone in my trade doing floors because I want them to use the best sandpaper to do the job correctly.
When performance matters, CUMI delivers a cut above.